Hello. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, brother and sister, fulani from the whole world, especially from Africa. I am Omar Abubakar. I am a fulani from Sudan. I welcome you, fulani from Nigeria, from Nigeria, from Cameroon, from Senegal, Burkina Faso, Guinea-Bissau, Mauritania, Senegal, and all the country, Niger. Forget Niger. Thank you, my brother. All country that contain our brother and sister in the Fulani blood. We are here in Fulani Tale, our channel YouTube. We are dreaming to, we are hope to reach you with our concept, our thought, our belief, our culture, our ethic. Okay? Here in Sudan, we have plenty of Fulani brother. They are Mali, Adamawa, different kinds. Adamawa, Mali, Ombororo. We are trying to get to know each other. Reflects our culture, reflects our ethics, our religion. We are Muslim. But before we became Muslim, we are human. So I send my message of love to you, even if you were a Muslim or a Jewish or a Christian. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. What's matter? The Fulani tribe. Okay? That contain us in a huge bond. The bond of the blood, the bond of dialect, or full day. No? My brother, my sisters. That's why I'm proud. That was make me proud, very proud. Okay. Thank you. I hope you enjoy our videos. Me and Sam. I am Omar Abubakar, Sam, and my colleague, a brother to Sam Badr. He's the professor in our dialect, in our language, full day. He's a great one. He's a great man. You're gonna love him. I'm sure that you're gonna love him because he's a great human being. He got a wide, lovely hair. I love you, and he's gonna love you. Bye.